What's that? Okay, we're gonna try to record. Although I don't know if you can see my cat. That's all. Hey there, Callie. I may not be able to walk like I wanted to without falling over a kitty cat. Hey, Callie. This is Rosco. Hello. And Andy Bubba. And I'm gonna try to walk around without getting tripped by my cat. It's gonna be funny. Yeah, you're gonna fall with me. Oh, quit tripping us. Quit it. Quit it, Callie. Hey there, girl. I petted a cat. Yes, this is Nerd Puppet. Nerd Puppet. Yay. That's right. It's me and Roscoe. We're gonna talk about nerdy stuff. We're gonna do easy videos because he's lazy. Yeah, something like that. Talk about nerd stuff. But Bubble World Comics. Check out that guide. Yeah, the guide is food and shop guide. I need that. Yeah, foodandshopguide.weebly.com. Check it out. And that's where my supporters are at, the people who support Bubble World Comics. And we're gonna keep building on the guide. We're walking through some woods, which is my backyard. I see a Sasquatch. Yeah, probably so. There he is. Yeah, I'm a Bubba Squatch. But ooh, nice trees. But yeah, we're doing a lot of stuff with Bubble World Comics. Yeah, we're doing daily comics, humor, generic comics. There's my cat. Hey, Callie. Yeah. We're doing we're about to start bringing back the original comics. Yay! It's all the original Bubble World comics, like Mississippi Swamp Dragons, Dawn of Time, Captain Geezer, Space Rednecks, Going Batty, and my Roscoe strip. That's right, the Roscoe prequel strip where he was a crossroads demon. That was my job title. I'm just a monster. Yep. And those will be showing up on Sundays in a few weeks, all at one time, like a Sunday's Funny. Yay. I can't wait. And we're going to talk about the stuff we're doing, but so basically, yeah, we're going to do the daily comics like we've been doing Monday through Friday, then the Sunday funnies, and the website. Everything goes to promote the website, foodandshopguide.com. Depending on where you see this at, especially YouTube and Facebook, you'll see the website with the post. Yeah. And we'll talk about the other stuff, but that's good. Talk about try to do a daily, semi-daily something, and just easy editing vlogs. Yay. And we'll probably have a cat with us because she's always here. She's camera shy. Yeah, camera shy cat. And we'll probably have merchandise. Yay, merchandise, help us support ourselves. Yeah. And I'm gonna start selling more ads and working on the food and shop guide more. And oh yeah, so we won't definitely do a puppet shout out to the food and shop guide. Ah. That was a puppet shouting outside. Yeah. And so check out that. Check out bubbleworldcomics.com or bubbleworldcomics.weebly.com. That's spelled with an X, C-O-M-I-X. That's right. And we will check y'all out next time. And oh, I'm wearing Clint Hagler Love Story In shirt. So check out War Tribe, and we'll try to put a link down for it. Love War Tribe. And they have a band. He's also an illustrator. This is the Bleeding Unicorn shirt. Next time I'll probably be wearing a Bubble World shirt. So shout out to Clint. Ah! Yeah, puppet shout out. All right. We'll talk to y'all later. Have a Bubba-tastic day. Does this thing not work? No. Yeah. Yes, it's having trouble.